something so bad, stay at home. Why do you never talk to me? Something so bad, you're left alone. Where are you going like that? Arrange something so bad, stay at home. Why do you never talk to me? Listen, dear, I could wait for you to do I'd look you in the eyes.